Hello friends, this is Pankaj and you're watching AEM and DevOps tutorial. In this video I'm going to talk about what is Jenkins and what Jenkins is used for. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, you can subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's get started. So Jenkins is an open source tool to automate software development processes and it is often referred as automation server. Currently Jenkins is most widely used and very mature CI tool among other CI tools such as Bamboo, Buddy, teamcity, etc. in the industry. Jenkins is written in Java and it makes it runnable on any operating system that is supporting Java. And it is very popular because of its plugin support. Plugins is an add-on extension to your application. So there are a lot of plugins available like Maven, Selenium, which you can use with Jenkins. Now let's look at the use of Jenkins. It is used to run software development processes like running a test after a code commit, building software and packaging it in format like zip or jar file. It is probably used as a continuous integration, which is nothing but a software development practice whereby developers integrate, build, and test their code frequently in a development environment. It can also trigger jobs automatically at a specific time using cron job or after committing a code in Git. Particularly, Jenkins helps developers to work efficiently and effectively with smaller and automated builds. So this was all about the theoretical knowledge of Jenkins. In my next video, we will see how you can install Jenkins on Windows. And that's it from this video. Thank you friends. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this with your friends. Thanks again for watching.